Hi, Dave Nichols here, Training Manager for Lennox Learning Solutions. Today I'd like to talk to you about one of our programs, one of our one-day programs called Gas Heat Diagnostics. It's a great program, particularly as a refresher to get your techs ready to go. And one of the things that we do with this program is provide them with troubleshooting methods on a gas furnace. Things like flame rectification, gas meter clocking, temperature rise limit trips, and airflow relationships. In addition to heat exchanger testing, pressure switch testing, and of course the all-important drains on 90% efficient furnaces. This is a great one-day class, like I said, as a refresher, eliminates all of those rule of thumb challenges that we have in the industry, and it's great for your techs. So why don't you think about putting them into this one-day class? Thanks very much and have a great day.